So this is our Latin deponent verbs video for Pluperfect Subjunctive.
For the pluperfect active subjunctive, the first step is to find the perfect stem, which is the third principal part. Step 2 is to add your ISSE, and step 3 is to add a passive ending.
For the pluperfect passive subjunctive deponent verbs, it means that I had done something. Step 1 is to take the fourth principal part and then add on imperfect subjunctive tense of some. Let's look at the examples. So for first conjugation, it's going to be Canada some, which is the fourth principal part and the imperfect tense of the some. But there's one thing to notice is that for we, you, y'all, and they, we have to transfer the fourth principal part into plural.